Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily create a contact us page on your Shopify store. First things first, we have to log in into our Shopify account and Shopify store, and we need to log in as an admin because we are going to make a crucial changes to the wholesome look of our store. Just like that, we want to focus on the left side of our screen and click on Online Store. We have a couple of options here: Themes, Blog Posts, Pages, Navigation, and Preferences. We want to land on Pages. And just like that, as you can see, we have a couple of options. Some pages are already created. And we want to click on top right corner option, Add Page. Title will be Contact Us. Then we are about to fill out the content. So for example, email, address, phone, and couple of other options. We can go with fax if someone still uses it. Now we can set the visibility, if it's visible or hidden. And then the theme, default page or contact, but I would go with default page and hit the save option. And that's how you easily created the contact us page on your website. That's about it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.